Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one we have two separate topics for touch upon. Yeah man, we have the teacher Vybzkartel, plus we also have Gaza Sheba. So viewers and subscribers, watch on man, make we jump right into it. Big up on yourself, and if you're new, leave a subscribe. Alright, so we're going to kick off the review with the teacher Vybzkartel. Viewers and subscribers, there's a video circling the media right now with the entertainer. And he must show us the person who do his ear, which is a man. And you don't know how the Jamaicans them get to work. Them are going to burn you out from them, see something like that. So I'm going to show you the video, and then I could hear what J Progress I say. Then I'm going to leave my honest take on it. You see me? Yeah man, the people them are burn out the teacher, brawling.
As a nation, look on that one here. Tough. See your stylist there? Oh. See the next one there? Is it? A joke there, I think. Nah, I mean? What is on my nose? I'm out.
Yeah, me people, what really go on? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Mr. Kartel post a hairstyle and post him stylist. But surprisingly, it is a man. Me confused, you know. Me confused. Me know as much as how me confused, it will be confusing to many. Because me not telling a lie. Kartel fi get a fire for that, you know. Kartel fi get a fire for that. But true, we know some people still go say, then oh, you got a barber shop and barber hold your face and shave it. But me not go tell no lie, as my artist Vybzkartel, me not like that. Kartel, anywhere you're there in the world right now and get your hair done, you could have find a nice hairstylist woman to do it. We done gone far already, make barber shave with head and baiting and baiting. Me grow my hair and no man now go do my hair. That's why me go lax you know. Cause me never too like a barber shop. You hear me I say? Kartel, you figure me no like that as a Gaza fan. As a Gaza fan, Kartel, me no like that. That look one type of way. I hear a Gaza boss. And me know me no matter which Gaza fans want come to me. Me a Gaza fans too. And me no like what me see. It no look good. No man no fear comb the Gaza boss here. And Kartel, what make you post that? What make you post that? Enough thing me follow where you go, where you say you know, and where the trend them where you say. But Kartel, no boy not go comb me here. Me no like that one the Kartel. Kartel, it don't look good. As a Gaza fan, as a Gaza blogger to a blog whole heap of Gaza video, Vybzkartel, I don't like that. It don't look good. It look one type of way. I foot type come and burn you. Pan that. Me no have nothing at all to say. Believe when me tell you that.
So J Progress a burn out the Gaza boss. Yeah. J Progress a make we know say yo, him no like that style eh, and it don't look good. Because if you don't remember when Conscience did make a man do his ear, the entire Jamaica burn him out. And the same goes for Burna Boy. When Burna Boy made a post of a man doing his ear, the entire Jamaica burn him out. But now this video that J Progress talk about is a long time video. And you know, if you look on this video now with Vybzkartel, you can obviously see that the entertainer ear is locked. The entertainer be dreads. You know what I mean? So the video where J Progress talk about is a long time video with the entertainer Vybzkartel. And the video resurfaced. And you know, yeah, but the entertainer here is locked right now. The entertainer be dreads, as you can see. But viewers and subscribers, leave a take down below, because in the video with Vybzkartel, him basically showed two persons. So maybe the woman are the one who plait him here or twist him here, and the man are the one who line him up. You see me? But yeah, it's a old video that resurfaced and have the place away. Viewers and subscribers, leave a take down below in the comments. So now we have Gaza Sheba, aka Enan's mother, speak about Vybzkartel and why she feel like the entertainer haven't linked her up for them to perform together on stage, because I don't know say Vybzkartel since him fall back from jail, him link up back with Black Rhino, Popcorn, Aishana, and the list goes on, but not Gaza Sheba. So now Gaza Sheba speak out, and so now I'm gonna make you hear what Gaza Sheba have to say.
How come we haven't seen you on any other show outside of Freedom Street with Kartel?
I'll be honest with you, because I'm telling you about my mouth. You have to ask him. You have to ask him. Because the last time I talked to him was when I was here. Before me go on back and me try him say, kind of married now and whatever. So I don't know if because I tell him say that's the direction me are going on. I'm not sure if that or what happened, or because me tell him say I'm not really interested in the music no more like that or whatever. So me can't tell you what. So anytime you catch him and you hold him, ask him. People me doesn't know neither. Me doesn't know. Me I ask myself the same question, but whatever it is, I only him want know, because me never have it as me and him have no problem or we have no beef or nothing. But I just tell him to listen. Me married now, and I don't know if he want me just focus on that part of life there. I'm not sure. Me can't speak for him. I cannot speak for him. Me just can't tell you from my perspective what I'm thinking.
Okay.
So I'm not sure.
Because you said you did your big thing. I've seen you on the show. Your part was a highlight. Everybody that talked about Freedom Street, Spice, Sheba, Jamal, there was a couple of them that were highlights. So I figured, like, okay, you guys will probably pop up. I know sometimes it's a visa thing where, okay, you can't go States, so you might not. But again, it was just a question. I'm pretty sure other people have that question in their mind. How come we didn't see Sheba again?
Yeah, people ask me it all the time. And me I tell them the truth. And me not gonna lie. Me I ask myself the same thing too, cause me just not know like uno either. I'm not sure what the problem is. As me say, you'd have to ask him or he would have to talk for himself why that was. But in my from my side, me no know either. Just me I guess I spell like everybody else. Me really no know. Like seriously don't know.
Because you told him you're not 100% interested in music, but is that how you feel sitting here right now, that you're still not interested, or you got back a spark since being on the stage again? How do you feel about music?
No, interested in music meaning recording, but not like go to the shows and stuff. Yeah, and remember shows are money, And when me tell you about me and the money too. So, me interested in the shows. Very much interested in the shows, just not to go back in the booth and go to the whole, all of that. I haven't been interested, because I lose interest in music a couple of years ago because of the whole politics of music and prejudice and colorism and all of that.